Your favorite trainer's favorite trainer. You ready?
Yeah.
We can go?
We can go whenever, man.
Game on.
Game on.
What up, YouTube? It is your man, 100 Gram Mike Trotter, and I am the PT Boss, your favorite trainer's favorite trainer. And today, I'm hitting y'all with a very important message. Do they want to know the message, Kel?
I think they do, yeah.
Are they ready for the message?
I don't know if they are ready or not. But
Big fella, you fell off, right? You fell off. January, you set a New Year's resolution, and you ain't did shit since then. Or maybe you did start, and somewhere along the road, you fell off. In this video, I'm gonna take you through one of my new chest and tricep workouts that I'm doing right now. And also, I'm giving you my opinion. In fact, I'm giving you my professional opinion. Can I get an amen?
amen.
I'm giving you my professional opinion on how you overcome that fall off. They ready?
I think they are now.
Let's go.
The megawatt special. You open it and it just goes everywhere.
Just goes everywhere. Not, but I didn't cough this time. So,
You gotta,
anyway.
okay.
Yeah.
You jinx yourself. You gotta hold your breath when you open it.
That's what I heard. I heard the key is to not breathe, but I like oxygen. Things up.
I don't know what you're talking about either.
So you fell off, big fella. Whether you set a New Year's resolution in January, and here we are, what is it, June now?
Almost July.
Almost July, and you realize, damn, I didn't do none of the things that I said I was gonna do, and here I am, worse than I was in January. Or maybe you did get going, and you were on a roll, and for whatever reason, life hit you in the face, and you fell on your ass. In my experience, here's the problem, and here's the difference maker. Most of us fall off, right? Mostly everybody you know that has accomplished a goal has fell off at some point or another. The difference maker is this: they don't allow themselves to stay there. So if I'm on a plan and let's say I ate some bullshit this weekend or I drank too much, guess what? I'm not gonna allow that to go into Monday or Tuesday. But the problem is you allowed it to go to Monday, Tuesday, next thing you know, 2 weeks went by, a month went by, now it's 6 months later and you still haven't done shit. Here's the good news. I'm giving you permission to press that reset button right here, right now. And if you fall off again, because as life has it, you probably will, I'm giving you permission to hit the restart button as many times as you have to until you get it right, big fella. Let's work. YouTube, thanks for kicking it with me today. We hit chest and tries, and I'm excited because I'm on a new program. And I dropped 20 pounds recently, as y'all know, and
Looking slim.
I don't know if slim is the word. I would like to think lean.
Lean. Yeah, looking lean. That was the word I was
like
looking
to think
for.
lean. I'm a solid 252 right now, But after the 8 weeks when I was really going hard, I took like a week where I was like not feeling it, So when I talk to you guys about falling off, I know exactly what you're going through. But like I said in this video, man, the key is not allowing yourself to stay there, right? That's the difference between my clients who succeed and the ones that don't. They just, when they down, they don't stay down. So if they could do it, if I could do it, I know you can too. Before I leave, thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you can know when I'm posting, and we'll see y'all next week. PT Boss out.